Struggling to hear enemy footsteps clearly? These settings will transform your audio advantage. Here are the best settings for your HyperX Cloud 3 to hear footsteps louder and clearer. The HyperX Cloud 3 is already tuned for gaming, but the right tweaks unlock its full potential. First, connect your headset using the USB adapter for full audio control. Open your system sound settings and select your headset as default output. Disable any generic sound enhancements first. Launch the official software from HyperX to fine-tune your audio. Now we'll adjust the equalizer for better footstep clarity. Lower the bass slightly. Too much bass hides footsteps. Boost the mid-frequencies to bring movement sounds forward. Raise the highs a bit to make footsteps sharper and more distinct. Save this as a custom preset so you can switch quickly. For competitive FPS, disable virtual surround. Stereo gives clearer direction. Surround can blur distance cues, while stereo keeps positioning precise. Next, adjust your in-game audio settings. Choose the headphone audio preset if available. Increase effects volume so footsteps stand out. Lower music volume to avoid masking important sounds. Reduce dialogue volume if it's distracting. You want footsteps to be the loudest subtle sound. In games like Warzone, footsteps signal enemy approach before you see them. In tactical shooters like Valorant, audio awareness wins rounds. Clear audio means faster reaction time. These tweaks reduce noise clutter and highlight movement. Environment matters too. Reduce background noise in your room. Also adjust your mic monitoring if it distracts you. Lower side tone so your own voice doesn't mask footsteps. Some games offer audio compression. Enable it if available. Use a limiter to protect your ears while keeping clarity. Set master volume to a comfortable but detailed level. Switch presets when moving between games. Soon you'll start detecting enemies before teammates do. That's the advantage of optimized audio. Most pro players rely heavily on sound awareness. Better sound means better decisions. Your ideal curve boosts mids and highs, trims bass. Once tuned, your headset becomes a tactical tool. You'll almost see enemies through sound. Remember, EQ tweak, stereo mode, game audio balance. These three changes make the biggest difference. Practice listening for movement in quiet matches. Training maps are perfect for sound awareness drills. Audio focus alone can improve your win rate. Once tuned, you'll notice the difference instantly. Sound isn't just immersion, it's strategy. Hit like if this improves your gameplay. Tell us which game you're optimizing audio for. Subscribe for more pro-level gaming tweaks. We post weekly guides to improve your setup, tune your sound, trust your ears, and dominate the battlefield.